Welcome to Programming Line Channel. If you've ever asked, how much money do I need to start an online store? This video is for you. Let's break it down, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect when launching your e-commerce business. First, you'll need a domain name and hosting. A domain typically costs between 800 rupees and 1200 rupees per year. Hosting for WordPress or WooCommerce can range from 3,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees annually. If you're using platforms like Shopify or Wix, expect to pay 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month. Next, website design. If you're going the DIY route with pre-built themes, it could cost you nothing, or up to 5,000 rupees for premium templates. But if you hire a freelancer or agency, the cost can range from 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees depending on complexity. Now, inventory. If you're stocking physical products, your initial investment can be between 5,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees or more. But if you're using a dropshipping model, you can skip inventory costs entirely. Let's talk about payment gateways. Most platforms like Razorpay, Paytm, and Stripe offer free setup. However, they'll charge you 2 to 3% per transaction. Now comes the biggest expense, marketing and branding. This is where you'll spend the most in your early days. Start with 5,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees a month for paid ads, and consider spending 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees for branding assets like logos. You might also invest in SEO or email marketing tools. Moving on to shipping and packaging. If you're handling your own logistics, packaging will cost 5 rupees to 20 rupees per product, and courier rates could be 30 rupees to 70 rupees per order. Some platforms offer integrated logistics solutions, so be sure to check. Then we have legal and business setup. In India, registering a business could cost 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. Getting a GST number is either free or up to 1,500 rupees through consultants. For accounting, budget around 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees per month. So, what's the total? Realistically, you can start an online store in India with a budget of around 15,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees if you go lean. If you want to be more aggressive with marketing or hire professionals, you could need 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees or more. The bottom line, you can start small and scale smart. Begin with essentials, validate your product, reinvest profits, and grow step by step. For more detailed guides and tools, check the description box. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more content and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.